I heard my name on the doorbell camera. Nobody was outside.
Last night at 1:02 a.m., my doorbell camera sent a motion alert. I almost ignored it. It's usually just cats or delivery trucks. But the preview showed something strange. The porch was empty, yet the audio bar was moving like someone was talking. I opened the live feed. Nothing. Empty porch, quiet street. Then the audio crackled. Static. And then a voice said my name. Clear? Close? Familiar. I replayed it. Same thing. Empty porch, then my name. That's when I noticed the timestamp. 1:30 a.m., 1 minute ahead of the actual time. The camera had recorded something that hadn't happened yet. Before I could think, a second notification appeared. Motion detected, 1:03 a.m., same timestamp. I opened it instantly. The porch was still empty, but the audio changed. The same voice said my name again, slower this time, almost like it was trying to imitate me. Then a second line, come outside. My stomach dropped. I zoomed in. A shape flickered in the corner, too fast to identify, too real to be a glitch. Then the live feed switched automatically. It flipped from the porch to my hallway, a camera I never installed. The microphone picked up breathing. Slow, wet, close. I checked the app. Only one camera was listed, front door, but the feed still showed my hallway. At 1:03 a.m., the hallway lights flickered. Then a voice whispered, open the door. Not from the camera, from behind me. I turned around and fell out of my chair. The hallway was empty. My phone buzzed again. A new notification appeared. New camera added, inside. Then another, awaiting response. The feed went black, but I could hear breathing, getting closer.